quotes all over your classroom on the walls. They arrive in the class, you give them a picture of a character. So this is the worksheet I would give my students before starting the activity. You have the picture of the 3 characters and space underneath to either write numbers of the matching quotes, or you can ask them to write the entire quote, but that will take a long time. If they struggle, they can use their books to find out who said that, but they should be able to find the answer. Or you could just do it with adjectives. So you'd put adjectives all around the classroom. So précoce, they would write number 1 in the section of loup, and then you could do a follow-up activity, or they can just try to justify and analyze their answer.